What's the meaning of clammy? Clammy. Clammy.
Clammy. Clammy. Clammy means unpleasantly damp and sticky to the touch, often due to perspiration or high humidity. It can also refer to something that is cold and moist, such as a damp towel. The sensation of clamminess is often associated with discomfort and unease, and can be particularly unpleasant during hot weather or when one is ill. When someone feels clammy, they might describe their skin as feeling cold and wet, and may experience chills, goosebumps, or shivering. It is important to stay hydrated and cool in order to avoid feeling clammy and uncomfortable.